Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Chat, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, Lisa. Hi, everyone. It's Mark here.
Hi, Mark. Today, we are practicing something very close to heart.
Yes, English conversation at home, daily English speaking practice. All the sentences you use with family every day.
From morning to night, with kids, chores, fun, and everything.
We will practice slowly and repeat for better learning. But first, our usual small request. If you like this episode, please click the like button, subscribe to Daily English Chat, and share it with your friends. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. We want to help everyone speak English confidently. Let's start with morning at home.
Good morning, family.
Good morning. Time to wake up.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, very well. Thank you.
The sun is shining.
Open the curtains.
Make the bed.
I'll make coffee.
Tea for me, please.
Coming.
What for breakfast?
Paratha and yogurt.
Sounds good.
Kids, wake up.
Good morning, Beta.
Brush your teeth.
Wash your face.
Get dressed for school.
Eat breakfast quickly.
Drink milk.
Pack your bag.
School bus is here.
Bye. Have a good day.
Study hard.
Love you.
Now, cleaning time.
Sweep the floor.
Dust the furniture.
Wash dishes.
Laundry today.
Separate colors.
Hang to dry.
Water plants.
They need water.
Grocery list?
Yes, vegetables and fruits.
I'll go to market.
Buy fresh ones. Alone now. Time to relax.
Kids are home.
Welcome home.
How was school?
Tell us about your day.
Any homework?
Sit and do it.
I'll help with math.
I will check English.
Good job.
Now playtime.
Go play in the garden.
Be careful.
Don't fight.
Share toys.
Time for snack.
Fruits or biscuits.
Fruits, please.
Wash hands first.
TV time?
Half an hour only.
Educational show.
No cartoons all day.
Dinner time.
Come to table.
Set the table.
Plates and spoons.
What is for dinner?
Rice and curry.
My favorite.
Eat vegetables.
They are good for health.
How was your teacher today?
Any test?
Good marks?
Proud of you.
After dinner, family talk.
What for weekend?
Picnic?
Or visit grandma.
Good idea.
Guest coming tomorrow.
Clean the guest room.
Prepare snacks.
Phone call from mom.
Hello, Mom. How are you?
We are fine.
Come visit soon.
Small argument.
Why did you forget the keys?
Sorry, it was a mistake.
Next time, be careful.
Okay, I will.
Making up.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Forget it.
Hug.
Compliments.
You look nice today.
Thank you. You too.
Dinner was delicious.
Thanks to you.
Chores division.
You cook, I wash dishes.
Fair.
Pet care.
Feed the cat.
Clean the litter.
Play with dog.
Take for walk.
Garden time.
Plant new flowers.
Water them.
Pull weeds.
Beautiful garden.
Repairs at home.
The fan is not working.
Call the electrician.
Light bulb change.
I will do it.
Bills time.
Pay electricity bill.
Online or bank.
Online.
Holidays at home.
Eid coming.
Clean house.
Buy new clothes.
Prepare sweets.
Rainy day at home.
It's raining heavily.
Stay inside.
Play board games.
Make hot tea.
Power cut.
Lights gone.
Light candles.
Tell stories.
Fun in dark.
Birthday at home.
Happy birthday.
Cake ready.
Blow candles.
Make a wish.
Gifts time.
Thank you, everyone.
Party games.
Dance time.
And many more daily conversations. Now let's practice some more conversations at home. Imagine the kids are doing homework.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, Dad.
Show me your notebook.
Here it is.
Good writing.
Thank you.
Do you have math homework?
Yes, it's difficult.
Let me help you.
What is 12 plus 8?
20.
Correct.
Now English homework.
Read this sentence.
The cat is on the mat.
Good pronunciation.
Write 5 sentences.
Okay, I will.
Playtime after homework.
Can we play outside?
Yes, but not too long.
Come play with us.
Okay, what game?
Hide and seek.
I'm hiding.
Found you.
Your turn.
TV time in the evening.
What do you want to watch?
Cartoons.
Only 1 episode.
Okay.
Turn down the volume.
Yes.
No TV during dinner.
Dinner talk.
How was your teacher's class?
It was fun.
Did you make friends?
Yes. New friend.
Good.
Bedtime stories.
Time for story.
Which one?
The Lion and the Mouse.
Once upon a time,
The lion was sleeping.
the mouse ran over him,
The lion woke up.
but he let the mouse go.
Later, the mouse helped the lion.
Moral: kindness is never wasted. Sweet dreams.
Weekend plans.
What for Sunday?
Go to park.
Picnic?
Yes. Pack food.
Guests coming.
Aunt is coming.
Clean the house.
Make tea and snacks.
Welcome, Aunt.
How are you?
Come sit.
Have tea.
Family phone calls.
Phone ringing.
Hello, Grandma.
We miss you.
Come visit.
Small arguments.
You forgot to buy milk.
Sorry, next time.
It's okay.
Making up.
I love you.
I love you too.
Compliments.
Your cooking is the best.
Thank you.
You are a great mom.
Thanks.
Chores division.
You take out trash.
You fold laundry.
Deal.
Pet care.
Feed the fish.
Clean the cage.
Brush the dog.
Garden work.
Cut the grass.
Plant tomatoes.
Harvest vegetables.
Repairs.
Door is squeaking.
Oil it.
Leak in tap.
Fix it.
Bills.
Pay water bill.
Gas bill due.
Paid.
Holidays at home.
Decorate for Eid.
New clothes.
Special food.
Rainy day.
Rain outside.
Stay in.
Board games.
Power cut.
No light.
Candles.
Story time.
Birthday at home.
Happy birthday.
Cake cutting.
Sing song.
Gifts open.
Thank you all.
And many more conversations.
Practice these at home.
Speak with family in English.
It will improve fast.
Pronunciation tip. Good morning. Stress on morn.
Repeat. Good morning.
Again.
Viewer practice. Say thank you with smile.
Good.
Common mistake. Forget, please.
Always use it.
Role play again. Dinner.
Pass the salt, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
More rice?
Yes, please.
Challenge. Record yourself saying 10 sentences from today.
Share in comments.
We love hearing you.
Thank you for watching till the end.
You are amazing.
God bless your family.
See you next time.